Hello, good morning, children. Now I will teach you English grammar. What is a noun? What types of noun? So, what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, or animal or thing. In nouns, there are different types. First one is common noun. Common noun will come first. Will come proper noun. Second one it is here they see. Proper noun means it is specific name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Every person, place, animal, or thing they have a name, no? That particular name we call it as proper noun. It always starts from with capital letter. Next, second one, common noun. Common noun, it is general name of a person. In common, general name in common. That is city, girl, book, boy, student, all professions, doctor, engineer. These are all common noun. Third one, concrete noun. Concrete something you can see. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, you can hear, touch ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, taste ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. That type of nouns, that is called apple. Music ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ, ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಟಚ್, ಸಿ, ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. This is called concrete noun. Fourth one, abstract noun. Abstract noun means name of an idea, feeling, quality. These all we cannot touch them, we cannot see. So that is called abstract noun. For example, love, kind, good, bad, freedom, honesty, beauty, active, all these are abstracted noun. Next, collective noun, a word that represents a group of people collectively in a group. In a group, it will tell a group of particular place, animal, or thing, no? That as collective noun. Example, team. Team will be the team of players. Bunch will be the bunch of grapes. Herd will be, herd means herd of cattle. Stars, cluster of stars. So like this, many collective nouns will be there. Next, sixth one, countable nouns. It can be counted. It may be singular or plural form. For example, book, books, apple, apples. So in this countable noun, the singular also will be there, plural also will be there. We can be counted. That is called countable nouns. You can write many examples. For seventh, uncountable noun. It cannot be counted and it is doesn't have a plural form. Example, see, water, sugar. Waters, sugars ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, we won't have. ಶುಗರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಶುಗರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ವಾಟರ್, ಆಯಿಲ್, these are called as uncountable. Honey, these are called uncountable nouns. I think you understood everything. On all types of noun, we have to prepare examples. We have collect the examples and make a project. Okay, very good. Thank you.